Abusiafo no kwasama wo mi de. Zayeji yensa kan yedi enwehu ne yedi ho adanse yedi chewo. Grace Hill School of Technology. Zayeyim de dawo na wakafa bayo. Iya no oye Bees Cosmetology Parlor. Inyo oye Bees Cosmetology Parlor. Grace Hill School of Technology. Yiyim de dawo. Awon na wadi abobadi. School now was 3 months na 6 months. What the chop pastry art, cookery art, cake decoration and sugar craft, floral, balloon and fabric deco, bead making. Now we are what the basic computer literacy on your entrepreneurship. What the call on and there what in sabobadi yo. Into my come from more there. But much able to tell me now called Grace Hill School of Technology. No bobo pa. Sister America say we admission now tomorrow. On phone ejuma here they go school. They ejuma. Able to when you pay 5 years she now what classes in now etum na akwa weekend. And now so append e bira up the juma. No so when you be she pa. In Sasudu Cosmetology Parlor what is shape today. Facial and beauty therapy, hair technology, pedicure and manicure, cosmetic massaging and spa, makeup artistry, barbering, aesthetic skincare, waxing artistry, cosmetic massaging. Here you course afufra. Grace Hill School of Technology. What our body? Where your food delivery so? Ebu shama come from. What's to do be same. Determine care. Grace Hill School of Technology. When I say you were anchor for Grace Hill, and also about from Mutufi 0244 816449 and also 0556 130428 and 0244 839240. Grace Hill School of Technology now bringing hope to all.